So I'm Brecht Vermeulen from iMinds Research Institute in Belgium. My demo is on International Federation, International Connectivity, and SDI SDXs. So our ID is shown on the poster, and what we want to do is for connecting internationally different clusters, different racks, we want to put in an SDX with an extra functionality. So an SDX means software-defined exchange for doing, for instance, adding flow capabilities to connectivity and so on. What we want to add with the SDI SDX is that we want to add computing there, storage, so that people actually can, when doing that connections, can add extra functionality. So for instance, they can use computing to do video transcoding, to do complex BGP kind of things, and so on. So what is very important on that is if you work internationally, that you have different policies. So for instance, the demo that we show is between Europe and US. So there are two different authorities there, two different policies, and we want to demonstrate on that. So on the other poster, I've shown the actual demo that we have set up. So we have set up between the testbeds in Europe, which is called Bonfire, and the Utah DDC, which is a GENI rack in Utah, a connection in between. So it's just a stitching connection, but we added in the middle an SDI SDX, which is actually run in iMinds in Belgium, and which does add the extra functionality there. So what we have shown on the demo is that this part in Europe is set up with a European credential. This part in US is set up with a US credential, with a GENI credential, and then in the middle the SDI SDX is controlled by the SDI SDX authority. So their extra policies can be run to see what connections can be done and so on. So actually the demo is just run here. So here you see the European part, which is set up with a European credential. This is the US part with a GENI credential, and in the middle we have an SDI. So the three parts are set up separately with different credentials, and we show here that we can ping layer 2 end-to-end over the different connections. So that concludes my demo on the International Federation and SDI SDX.
Thank you.
Okay.